Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a Catapull arm link. Obviously you need to know how to do a Catapull already, and knowing a shoulder pull, a shoulder sway arm link would be a really good idea as well, because that's basically going to give you all the pieces of the puzzle. But jumping in, it looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it starts off like a standard Catapull. We go right to right, we go back, we sweep the lady through, we go to our two-handed lean. We're raising the right hand to bring the lady past. On the left hand side, you get the turn, and this is where we're going to sneak the arm link in. We let go with the left, guys turn into the right, coming to the lady's side, we get our link, and then we're straight into the walk. 1 and 2. Instead of doing a turn or a return, we're going to do a spin. So we're going to walk the lady down to the hand, into the spin, catch, traveling return to finish. Same thing from another angle, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, sweep 2, lean 3, over the top 4, turning the lady 5 with a link on 6, walking 7 and 8, down to the hand 1, spin 2, catch 3, over the top 4, and stopping on 5. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, Catapull arm link. We go a back, sweep, lean, raise, turn, link, walk, walk, down to the hand for the spin, catch, over and out. And that's it. Hope you get that one to work nicely for you out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. All of that helps promote the channel, and will mean if you've got them turned on in settings, you'll get told every time a new video comes out so you don't miss anything. Music recommendation on the end, as always. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.